what's up world, Logan here, and here are my 10 carry-on essentials when I travel. First up, I have my North Face fanny pack which I put everything in. It's small but everything fits in and it looks neat. Next, I have my cat with me. If you have slightly longer hair or fringes, you will understand my struggle with static electricity when on board, and my solution is to wear a cap to keep my hair in place. Then I have my eye mask, which blocks out lights on the cabin and screens when I need a nap. This eye mask in particular is ear-lobed and not worn over the head. It can also be worn on both sides, with one side being cooler than the other, so you can choose to wear it on the cooler or warmer side. I also have my collapsible neck pillow with me. The pillow easily inflates through the pump and deflates with a press of a button. Now, trust me when I say that this collapsible pillow is actually even better than most memory foam ones out there. It provides strong support with ergonomic shape. In the gadgets department, I have my power bank with me. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank. Nothing really special, but very important nonetheless. Paired with the power bank, I have this Travelin Cart from Hi. The Travelin Cart essentially packs a USB-C to USB-C cable inside with adapters for USB-A, Lightning, and micro USB. So whatever combo you need, you have it. It also packs in a SIM card ejector pin and 2 slots for either nano SIM cards or micro USB cards. On top of that, the cart comes with a wireless charging cord, so it can act as a wireless charger for devices. There is a flap which you can flip over to turn the cable card into a phone cradle. Oh, and did I mention there is a torchlight included that lights up when you plug in the card? Next up, you've got to have your earphones with you. I have here the Mi Zone earphones. These have a single charge playtime of 8 hours and a battery life with a charging case of 80 hours. They have the snug-in design which feels very comfortable to the ear, and the sound quality is great. The earphones have touch controls and can be charged wirelessly through the case. They also have a waterproof rating of IPX7. Unfortunately, they don't come with active noise cancelling, but I'm okay with this since I actually prefer to have some airplane white noise in the background. Apart from pairing my earphones to my phone, I also pair it with the Airflight Pro from 12 South. Airflight Pro is a wireless headphone adapter with 16 hours of battery life. All you have to do is plug this into the headphone jack of the plane and pair it with your wireless headphones or earbuds. After that, you can enjoy the in-flight entertainment system wirelessly. No more earphone wires dipping into your meals when you're enjoying a movie. To round up, I have my gums with me to pop my ears and my hand sanitizer to keep my hands free from all the germs from my traveling. And there you go, 10 carry-on essentials. What are yours? Comments below. Logout.